Well, hello YouTubers. This is Gary again in Arizona. This is video number 2 of this EcoFlow Delta 1000 here, I think it is. I had some issues with it. It just kind of quit working here. The 12 volt port had no output, and the 4 USB things over here quit working too. So I contacted EcoFlow support group. Very nice people, very responsive. We sent it back to them. They had it for a while. Whatever it was that happened, it didn't work when it got back to me on the return trip. So called them again, and they sent me another label. The girl in support was very, very nice. I kind of suggested that, instead of doing a ping pong thing here, we might think about just replacing the unit now, as it's been going back and forth to Texas from Arizona, and can't seem to solve the problem, and I would like a functioning one. So we're going to box it up today and send it back to them. They sent me a label, which was really nice of them again. I'm very happy with their support group. I bought this thing. It's got the 2-year warranty on it. So we'll send it back to them and put it back in their box and send it back to them. I'll do a part 3 on the next unit that comes to me, and we'll see how that turns out. All in all, it's a nice unit. I really do like it. It'll work fine for what I'm going to be using it for, which will be my boondock and stuff. Seems to charge up pretty fast with the solar panels and stuff. And anywho, I thought I'd do a couple of videos. I didn't do one the first time for the failure of it. I should have done that, but live and learn, right? Okay, anyway, hope all is well with everybody. We'll give you an update in a week or so.